In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn over $1,000 a day posting simple videos like this on Pinterest. And I'm going to show you how any beginner can do this and make money on Pinterest. And as you can see right here, it has this visit website button. And if we click on it, and as you can see for yourself, it's going to bring us to this Google site landing page created by this person. And as you can see here, this person here is promoting this affiliate product. And if I click on this link, as you can see, it's going to bring us to the sales page of this product. And whenever people purchase this product through this person link, this person is going to get an affiliate commission. And don't worry, you don't need to have hundreds or thousands of followers on Pinterest to make money. Even as little as 100 followers, you can still make a lot of money on Pinterest. And as you can see, this account barely has 100 followers, and as you can see, this account gets over 6,000 monthly views, which tells you even as a brand new account, you can still make a lot of money from Pinterest traffic. And also, this is also another account here. As you can see, this account has a little over 1,000 followers, and it gets over 1.2 million visits every single month. And now if we go through this account, if we take a look here, you can see this account posts luxury content from cars to mansions to yachts and all that. And as you can see, this content definitely does not belong to this account, which tells you this account is basically just reposting content from other luxury profiles from other platforms, and they are monetizing it and they are making a lot of money. And as you can see here, they have a link in their profile here, which is going to get a ton of traffic. And if only 1% of people who come to their profile clicks on this link and make a purchase, they will be making money. So if we click on their link, they are promoting various products on their account, as you can see right here. And now if you go through this link, you can see this is one of the link here, and this account is promoting this book. So if we click on this link, as you can see, it's going to bring us to Amazon, which tells you this account is promoting Audible, which means once people sign up to this platform, they are going to get a commission from Audible. And as you can see here, if people sign up to the trial, this account is going to get paid $5. And if people decide to upgrade to the Audible plan, they are going to get additional $10, which is a whopping $15 from just one customer. And for those who might be interested in Audible affiliate program, I've already made a detailed video on how to make money from this platform. You can click on the card above. However, for this video, we are going to be working with a luxury niche, and I'm going to show you how you can use this niche to make over $1,000 every single day. All you simply need to do is to come over to this affiliate platform, digistore24.com, which is available in most countries, and you want to create an account with them. And if you don't know, they've paid over $3 billion to affiliates, which tells you there's a lot of money to be made with affiliate marketing. So once you come over to the platform, all you simply need to do is to come over to the promote online section, and you want to click on get started to create an account. It's then going to bring you to this page where you simply just need to enter a username, email address, password, and you want to check I am an affiliate and I primarily promote products of other vendors, and you want to check this box to accept their terms of service. And now you want to click on continue. And this is all you need to do to create an account on Digistore24. Once you create an account, you want to basically then come over to the marketplace section, which is going to bring you to this page. And this is where you can then have access to various products you can promote from Digistore24. And since we are working with the luxury niche, we want to then go over to the digital product section right here. So once you click on that, you want to scroll down till you find this section that says online marketing and e-business, because a lot of people are looking to make money online. This is the way most people want to earn money right now, so that they can have financial freedom. Okay, so now if you come over to this section, as you can see here, there are over 200 products you can choose from. So once you come over here, you can see this brand new product added to the platform here. As you can see, Millionaire Partner System, and this product is going to pay you over $1,000 for just a single sale. So you don't have to go with this product. There are other products you can go for. You can see this to mastery and monetization, which is going to pay you $200 for every sale. You can see there are a lot of products you can go for. This is really up to you. However, I highly recommend to go with high ticket product because all you literally need is a few sales and you'll be making a lot of money from Digital 24. So once you come over here, it's very important to check out the sales page and affiliate support page of this product. And as you can see here, this is the sales page of this product, which is going to teach people how to make additional $1,000 to $3,000 per day in passive income on autopilot in 2024. And if you come over to the affiliate resource page, this is very important because you are going to have access to various tools and resources provided to you by the vendor of this product. And as you can see right here, the vendor of this product has provided us with email swipes we can use to sell this product to people who are interested in making money online. And as you can see right here, there are various emails they've provided here that we can use. All you simply just need to do is to copy and paste this email, and keep in mind the vendor of this product has gone through all the rigorous process required to craft the best emails that is going to convert to sell their product, which is a win-win situation because the vendor of this product wants to make as much sales as possible. So the next thing you want to then do is to come over to TikTok, and this is where we are going to be getting luxury content which we will be uploading on our Pinterest account and start making money. This account right here is already doing this strategy and they are making a lot of money and they are not facing any problem. As you can see, they have a lot of content posted on their platform, and I can assure you this content does not belong to them. Okay, so all you then need to do once you come over to TikTok is to type in keyword like this, luxury. So once you do this, you are going to see other suggested keywords on the right hand section of the page like this. Okay, so I'm going to take luxury as an example. Then you want to then come over to videos. So if you do that, it's going to show you luxury content which we'll be downloading and then uploading to our Pinterest account. As you can see, these are short videos and these are the type of videos we want because people want fast-paced content nowadays. So all we simply need to do is to click on any of these videos. You want to then come over to the copy section to copy the link to this video. So once you copy the link to the video, you then want to go over to this platform, snaptik.app, and this is the platform we will be using to download these TikTok videos without watermark. So you want to paste in the video here and you want to click on download. So once you click on download, as you can see, you can download this video straight away to your device. So once you download this video, the final thing we want to do before we start uploading this video is to go over to canva.com, and all we simply need to do is to add in our call to action before we start uploading these videos. It's absolutely free to use. All you need to do is to then come over to this social media section. So once you come over here, you are going to see this section that says Pinterest pin. All you simply need to do is to click on it. So once you do that, you then want to come over to this section that says upload, and this is where you then want to go over to the video section, and then you want to upload the video we just downloaded from TikTok. So once you upload the video, all you then need to do is to drag and drop the video on the Canva like this. So once you do this, you then want to go over to the text section, and this is where you want to drag this text style and you want to drop it here like this. Okay, and now you want to add in a call to action to make people click on your link, and to do that you can simply go over to the sales page of that product and you can get idea of call to action you can type in that video. All right, so for me, I'm going to add in a very simple call to action like this: get paid easy $3,000 per day in 2024, click link below. So you then want to make sure to right click and you want to click on show timing. You want to then make sure to adjust the appearance of this text towards the end of this video. It's very important. Okay, so as you can see, the text appeared towards the end of this video, letting people know they need to click on the link below to learn how to make money. Okay, so now once you're done, all you just simply need to do is to click on the share button and you can then download this video right away to your device. Once you've downloaded a couple of videos, the next thing you want to do is to now create a landing page, and you can do this with Google Sites. And just like the example I showed you earlier, this is someone here who used Google Sites to create a landing page, and you can do the same thing as well. All you simply need to do is to add your affiliate link within the landing page, which is then going to take people to the sales page of that product, and if they purchase the product using your link, you make money. And if you don't want to use Google site, you can use another landing page builder, breezy.io, to create a landing page that looks like this. I highly recommend to collect emails from your landing page. This is because some of your visitors might not purchase the product the first time. So it's very important to have access to their emails so that you can put them in an email sequence and you can remarket this product to them again. And they might buy the product from you in future. And if they don't, you can always recommend other similar products in this niche, and you will definitely make money from these people in the long run because you already know they are interested in this niche. And to create a landing page like this, all you need to do is to go over to breezy.io and you want to click on the start your free trial. So once you create an account with breezy.io, you want to create a new project and you want to click on website and landing page, and you want to click on from scratch. If you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and this is where you're going to have access to numerous templates from this platform, which you can definitely use to create landing page in less than a minute. So I'm going to take this template here as an example, and you can see this is the template I used to create this landing page right here. So all you need to do from here is to delete this section as we don't need it. Then you want to then come over to this text, and like I said, you want to then type in a call to action. So once you type in a call to action like this, you want to then come over to this section here. Since we don't need this, we want to simply delete this as well. And now this section that says begin your free trial now, you want to change this to something like begin your journey now. Okay, because people are looking to make money right here. So now for this section, you want to collect their name and their email address. And for the phone number, this is not necessary. So we can delete this section. And for this button here that says start your free trial, we can come over here and change this to get started. So this is all you literally need to do. And one final thing you need to do, if you go back to your Digistore24 account, you'll be able to copy your affiliate link. This is a unique link which is going to be used to track whenever you make a sale for this product, and you are going to be credited as long as people use your affiliate link to purchase this product. So once you copy the link, all you need to do is to come over to the get started section, and you want to come over to the link here and you want to go over to redirect, and this is where you then want to paste in your affiliate link from Digistore24. So the final thing before we publish this landing page is to change the background photo, as this one right here does not match with the niche we are working with. And to get free background photos, you can go over to pexels.com, which is going to give you access to royalty-free images you can use without copyright issues. So I'm going to type in keyword luxury here, and if I do that, as you can see, there are a lot of luxury images we can use for free without copyright issues. As you can see, this is the one I used in that example landing page. So all you need to do is to download any image of your choice, and once you download the image, you want to come over to the top here and you want to click on this button and you want to remove the old image, and you want to click on the add button to upload the image you downloaded from Pexels, and you want to select that image and you want to click on insert file. So once you do this, as you can see, everything looks good, so you don't really need to make any changes. This is all you literally need to do. And one more tweak is to come over to this section that says styling, and you can come over here and change the style of your landing page to however you like it. So for me, I'm going to select Droid like this. So this is literally all you need to do to create your landing page in less than 2 minutes. All right. So once you're done, you want to click on this button and then click on publish now. So once you click on publish now, you want to then come over to this section and go back to your dashboard. And this is where you'll be able to change the generic name provided to you by Breezy. And you have two options here. You can upgrade to their pro plan if you want to use a custom domain. However, if you want to use a subdomain from Breezy, you can click on this subdomain option. And this is where you then want to type in a username that resonates with whatever niche you are working with. So for me, I'm going to type in luxury times as an example. So if I click on submit, as you can see, it's available. So if I open the landing page in a new tab, as you can see, everything works fine. All right. So once people come over here to this page and they enter their email address, I'm going to get access to their emails. And if they click on this get started, it's going to bring them to the sales page of this product, which if they make a purchase, I make $1,000. And if they don't make a purchase today, it's not a problem because I have access to their email address. And keep in mind, the vendor of this product has already provided us with email sequence we can use to resell this product to these people, and they would definitely make a purchase after 1 or 2 emails. So once your landing page is ready, you can then go over to pinterest.com to create an account on Pinterest. This is the platform we are going to be using to drive traffic to our affiliate link by simply uploading those videos we downloaded from TikTok. So you want to come over to pinterest.com and you want to click on the sign up button, and this is where you'll be able to create an account right away. So once you create an account, you want to click on the create a pin button, and this is where you want to upload the video from TikTok. So as you can see right here, we can preview this video before we continue to publish it. And now for this one here, we don't need it. All we simply need to do is to delete this. Okay, and now it's going to be left with our call to action. And now you want to then click on done. And this is where you then want to type in details for this pin. So you want to type in something simple like this: get paid easy $3,000 per day in 2024. And for the description, you want to enter a simple call to action like this, including hashtags related to this niche. Okay, and for this link section, this is where we are going to be adding our landing page link. So once you add your landing page link like this, you want to then create a board. And you want to create a board related to whatever niche you are working with. Okay, so now we want to create a board for luxury. So once you do that, so you can then come over here and add other related hashtag here like this. So once everything looks good, all you simply need to do from here is to click on publish. And you want to make sure to post 3 to 5 content every single day, and you will definitely start getting views and start making money. If you like this video, then I highly recommend to check out the video on your screen for more ways to make money with affiliate marketing.